Hello, I'm Chris Ellen and I'm here with Andreas. We are part of an excellent team of chefs here at St. Raphael Resort and Marina, Limassol, Cyprus. And we are here today to make some tom yum soup, which is Thai cuisine. So let's begin. First, we have to boil the chicken broth. We have different ingredients today that are Thai based. They are more used in the Thai cuisine. Most of you won't be familiar with them, but once you get to know them, you'll need them in every dish you make. We let the broth heat for a minute. Let me show you some of the ingredients. Here we have some lemongrass. Lemongrass is this one. We have it chopped in small pieces. Some coriander leaves, which is basically coriander, but we take only coriander roots, we basically take the roots. We're gonna use also the leaves later on. Like I said in the other time, we do not waste nothing in the kitchen. We use it all. And we also have kaffir lime. Kaffir lime, lemongrass, and galangal ginger, which we also have, are some of the most basic ingredients in Thai cuisine. Until the chicken broth boils, Andreas here is cutting the mushrooms and the cherry tomatoes. And I think we're ready to begin. We add first the lemongrass, then the coriander leaves, coriander roots. We press them with the knife to open the senses of and the taste of the coriander. The kaffir lime, we break it into small pieces because we won't take it out like we do, let's say, the bay leaf. We leave it in the soup, we leave it in the food. And for last, we put the galangal ginger. We put it whole chunks because it gives an amazing taste. Once they start to boil, we put the squid. The squid, we cut it into pieces how big we want them. If we want them small, if we want them big. And the mussels, we put them whole. And for the end, we put the shrimps, we cut them a little bit in half so they can cook nicely in the broth. Now about the chili, this recipe is already spicy. From now on, it depends how much more spicy you want it. Here we're gonna use 3-4 pieces of chili, fresh chili. But as I said, it's whatever you prefer. You'd like. If you're a spicy lover, you put more. If you're not a spicy lover, you don't put it at all, because we also have the galangal ginger, the kaffir lime, that they give a spicy taste. Now we let that simmer for around 5 to 6 minutes, so the seafood cooks. We have it on low temperature, so it cooks nicely and even. You'll know that the seafood is cooked when the shrimps become pink. We put the cherry tomatoes in. If we do not have cherry tomatoes, we can use regular tomatoes, but cut them in small pieces. And then the mushrooms. This is a really easy soup. And when you try it, you'll understand that it's so tasteful. From now, you can smell all the ingredients blending together, and it's absolutely amazing. We will use fresh basil leaves and fresh coriander leaves. Like I said, we do not throw anything, that's why we use the coriander leaves. And it also gives a nice fresh feeling. When you use fresh leaves, that gives you the fresh feeling. And here as well, it depends on how much you like it. If you like more the basil leaves, you put more basil leaves. So if you like more the coriander leaves, you put more coriander. And you let it simmer. And for the seasoning, we want some lime, you squeeze it in it. All this smells incredible. It's amazing. Can't wait to finish. And some fish sauce. This is the final touch that gives all the taste and it blends all the ingredients together. So it's a must. And believe it or not, we are ready. We are gonna decorate it with some chili roots and some molecular flowers. Of course, this is just for presentation. There's no need to add them if you do not have them or if you do not like them. But because it's our job, we like to make things pretty. Well, that's it. Thank you and enjoy.